Say you want to increase your muscles for singing. You don't like your sound. And you don't feel like you can hit notes that you want to hit. All these different things that we go through in our minds and worry about, there are reasons that you don't have the sound that you want. And the answers are in strengthening your muscles. That's why in my group we meet every week live. To do what? To go over exercises so that we can stay strong. And there's an accountability because we're going to meet every week. Now, say you can't make it there in the lesson, okay? Well, guess what? It's going to be online for you to catch. And there's 4 of them you can choose from. And they're different. Every week it's different. And every week we go over chest. We go over the mix area. We go over head voice. Now, if you don't know the exercises, you don't have to worry. Because I'm going to explain it. And nobody hears you. You are muted. You only hear me do it. I encourage you. We're there live and it's recorded. So you don't have any problem. You can always go and do an exercise during the week. If you want to practice 3 times, you can. 4 times, 5 times. If you just want to do a little bit, you can. But you're strengthening every part of the muscles for your songs. You're going from low to high. You're going from loud to soft. You're doing everything that you need to keep your muscles in shape. Now, is that all you need? Of course you're going to sing songs. You love to sing songs. But do you have to be a pro? Do you have to be singing in a group? Do you have to be recording now? No. Any style. And whether or not it's just wanting it for your own enjoyment, you're in a choir, you just want to sing better at the karaoke, or you're a pro and you want to keep your muscles in shape, because so many don't, then come to Singing for a Lifetime. Check it out at marquitawaters.com. You will not be dissatisfied. And if you let me know, if you DM me or you leave a comment, say, I want to come to a free session, I'm going to give it to you. Okay? You can come and check us out for free. Woo! Okay? Don't forget, marquitawaters.com, Singing for a Lifetime. Because it is for a lifetime. Bye.